start, what will my face look like when I speak another language? I don't think so. Well, I had this thought. That was when I had the chance to be an international student after I graduated from high school. It was hard to decide either on taking that chance or leaving it behind, because it was for me like immigrating to a whole new world within a different language to speak. After a long thinking period, I decided to take that chance and start with my first step, which is learning the language. In my childhood, I used to always mess around with things and ask questions about them, like to learn, but I didn't really thought about getting into a new environment and start learning from zero. First of all, I went to University of Central Florida to study English, which is in Orlando, Florida, and that's where my journey started. My first week was the hardest. I wasn't able to understand all the lessons well understanding, but after a few weeks, I got better. The only thing that was confusing me about English is writing, and it's still confusing me. But like after a few writing classes, I feel like better than the other class. So I realized that my writing is getting better every time I learn something new about writing. My learning period was limited because of the scholarship rules. So I only had 8 months to learn English and move on to college. Next, in order to get accepted in college and start studying my major, I had to take the IELTS test and get at least 5.5 grade out of 9. The IELTS test, in short, is the International English Language Testing System. Yeah, that's the killer one. It's the most hardest test I've ever had in my life. It has a really complicated system of evaluation, and it depends on 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The only thing that I like in that test that I can take it several times, like whenever I want. I took it for the first time to have an idea about how it works and like make some techniques so how to study for it. So then I took it a few more times and I earned that grade from the last time. It wasn't easy, like I said, but not impossible either after I studied hard to improve my language. I had to teach myself how to write and speak and understand the language. In conclusion, learning a new language and taking the IELTS test were the biggest challenges in my life, and I learned too many things faster than I thought. Then I realized that in my experience in these 2 challenges, that I'm a quick learner, always looking to learn something new.